Hey, what's up, guys? Carl here. Coming back at you once again for a second video tonight. Notice this time I'm smoking outside. Not really allowed to smoke in the house no more, so the wife's gonna be home soon. I did light this inside, so she'll probably be able to smell it when she gets home in the next few minutes. We'll see. But watching reviews of this tobacco made me start craving it. It's become one of my new favorites. Definitely gonna have to get some more of it. Smoking some Peter Heinrich's Dark Strong and my Eric Nording Royal Flush Bent Dublin. After a Holdren. iPad tonight, so can't hear. It's pretty dark tonight, and it's been raining all day. I have to push things up. My hand's starting to cramp. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, I'm just kind of sitting out here on the back porch, listening to the rain. Something I like. Love falling asleep listening to the rain. Got my little area. Try to get so you can see. Little area set up back here. I don't know. Usually I'll sit down or lay down on this thing, but try to get a shot of it. Try not to jump the iPad. Alright, it's got a little wet here at the end, so which I'm surprised because as you can see on my back porch, on at least with this one, completely covered. So probably just the way the wind was blowing the rain or something. Yeah, guys, Peter Heinrich's Dark Strong is amazing stuff. Sad that sometimes it can be really difficult to get a hold of, but it seems to be a little bit easier lately. Tell you, man, the Dark Fire Kentucky Smooth blend, oh man, it's amazing. It's rich, it's creamy, absolutely, amazing. Makes me sad every time the bowl's empty. But I'm trying not to smoke too much. I'm trying to save it. So I got that big 200-gram tin, and so what I need to save. But I gotta order some more of this stuff when I can. Oh yeah. Push our hands again. Yeah. It's a Tuesday night. Be Wednesday here in a few hours. Gotta go to work in the morning. It'll be my Friday, like I mentioned in my previous video. So, man, you know, the past few months I haven't gotten to spend a whole lot of time with you guys. So, pop my neck gets stiff. So I miss you guys. I want to spend some time with my friends. Definitely looking forward to Thursday, though, on my day off. The apartments that we live in, every month we have like this couple that does all this community stuff. And every month they put a calendar on everybody's front door, and on this calendar it has a whole number of different events that they plan throughout the whole month. And this Thursday they're doing a baked potato bar. So I'm looking forward to that. I love me some baked potatoes, especially when I don't have to cook them. Crazy people. People all the time just speeding through these roads right here. And this person, if you heard that, this person does that every single night. And it's always at this time too. Always around 10 o'clock. They do it every single day. I don't know what they're trying to do. They're just trying to be cool or, whatever. Sometimes my tires do that, but the only time I do it is if, because my car it's a stick, so sometimes mine just doesn't rain. If I give it just a little too much gas when I'm trying to get up, and especially when it's raining like this. They did it almost every single time I started moving today. It drives me crazy. And yeah, when I was in high school, when I was like 18 years old, I used to do that all the time just to, because I thought it was real cool, and even though I am. But it's just to show off and everything. But those days are long gone. I'm an old man now. I'm gonna be 25 in a few weeks. My birthday it's in about three and a half weeks. On October 12th is my birthday. So, the wife says she has something planned, well, as a gift. She said it's something she's had planned for the next few months, so she said it's something I'm really going to like, so we'll see what it is. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video. Running along 8 minutes now. I think I've chatted long enough, even though I could talk all night right now. I'm kind of in a talking mood. Gotta wait till the wife gets home, then I'll just talk her ear off maybe. But I'm going to finish this pipe, then I'm probably going to head to bed. Probably watch a little bit of TV, see if there's anything good. Well, we don't have a cable box in the bedroom. We just got our Roku box. I'll see if there's anything good on Netflix or something. So, anyway guys, it's good talking to you once again. I'll see you all later. Peace.